Tiege Hanley has been taking the industry by storm. What's all the hype? Tiege Hanley developed high-quality products in a simplified system any guy can follow for healthy skin. Simply put, it's uncomplicated skincare for men. This level 1 system includes a 30-day supply of the following men's skincare essentials: facial cleansing wash, exfoliating scrub, PM Moisturizer and PM Moisturizer. Daily face wash gently removes dirt, grime, and excess oil while simultaneously reducing redness and inflammation to help your skin glow with awesomeness. Exfoliating scrub uniquely uses crushed apricot seeds to wipe away dead skin cells effectively, without feeling like sandpaper. PM Facial Moisturizer, SPF 20, is refreshingly light/non-oily way to combat aging and the sun's harmful rays like a good-looking ninja, keeping your face hydrated and handsome all day long. PM Facial Moisturizer improves your skin's elasticity, evens out dark spots, and reduces the appearance of wrinkles. This is high-quality stuff. We were tired of paying too much for skincare, so we built a company to provide fantastic quality at an amazing price. Our world-class scientist has developed the highest quality line of skincare products for today's man. Click the Add to Cart button now and enhance your handsome today. What's included? Facial cleanser, exfoliating scrub, PM moisturizer, SPF 20, and PM moisturizer, all in a 30-day supply. Take the guesswork out of men's skincare. Includes Simplified Usage Guide high-quality products in a simple regimen designed to work together to protect and repair your face and enhance your handsome. Uncomplicated skin care for men. We were tired of paying too much for skincare, so we built a company to provide fantastic quality at an amazing price. Our world-class scientist has developed the highest quality line of skincare products for today's man. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.